Making one of the staples in the northern parts of Nigeria, especially during Eid, has never been this easy. Let me take you through how I made masa during this Eid period. You can't come to my house without eating masa. It's not possible now. Because tomatoes and pepper are on gold, I decided to follow the Addmie way. All I did was empty the sachet into my hot boiling water and let it bloom, more like blanch it. Then to make the savory filling, you're just going to fry the veggies in oil and the Addmie seasoning. Now back to my masa batter. I added some baking powder and now it's time to fry. Add in your batter and then the Addmie filling. Then fill it up with more batter and let it cook. Once it is done, you have the fluffiest, delicious Addmie savory filled masa ready. This is by far one of the best masa I've ever tasted, and thanks to Addmie, this tastes way better. It was perfect for my kids, for the veggies, and yes, when you talk about affordability, low budget, convenience, choose the Addmie way. Now I will say Eid Mubarak to you all, and I pray we witness more and more. Bye.